most important point is about G20. The reason that is being given to us, because of G20, we are doing this carpeting and we'll reopen it after the monsoon. We went through the schedule of G20 in all aspects. There is not a single event happening inside the city. Nothing is happening. And yet, government has chosen this route to stall the work right now, stop the work right now, recarpet it and then reopen it again. What is your research telling you about this major decision of suddenly stopping the work?
If you ask me, I think everybody wants to have a picnic in Goa. I've been saying this even to the press. They just want to come to Goa with any excuse. Knowing that this is like a war zone, isn't a center even interested or bothered about what's happening to the people? Isn't a state government interested?
There is not even an event planned inside the city where the work is going on.
So why stop the work?
Yeah.
Why stop the work? Can't the state government come forward or the corporation come forward and say, let us continue our work? So close the thing, open it up again. I think this is just, lack of interest. Like I say, a picnic spot, do something in Goa and go. Just bombard the city as much as you can. I think there is someone has to take the responsibility for the city. In my opinion, it is the corporation of the city of Panjim. They cannot wash their hands away. The smart city people approve plans, as they say, only from the financial point of view. They have nothing to do after that. They have no supervisors. They are not checking anything except during their meetings where they'll ask what work has been completed or what work has not been completed. Then they say it is up to the contractor. Means if a contract is given to GSIDC, it's the GSIDC to see that they do it. If it's given to WRD, they will do it. PWD, they will do it. But there's nobody coordinating everything. So who's supposed to coordinate? This is the question. Is CCP not supposed to coordinate? Let CCP say that no, we are not supposed to coordinate. Let anything happen. Let the city be dug up. Let anything happen to the city. We are not bothered. But then, when there are problems, if the city gets flooded, who will be pulled up?
Do you believe in this G20 thing? Suddenly, पणजेचे रस्ते आम्ही काम स्टॉप करून रिकार्पेट करतात because of G20. When if you look at the schedule, there is nothing happening in the city as far as the G20 meetings are concerned.
ते बरोबर आसा. G20 एक इंडिया आता सध्या प्रेसिडेन्सी आशिल्ल्या कारणान एक ताणी गोंयाक संधी दिली हे म्हाका दिसता आमचे एक आमी लकी म्हणपाचें. पुणून सद्याक पणजेन जशी स्थिती आसा आनी वी आर स्लायटली लॅगिंग बिहायंड बिकॉज ऑफ वेरियस रिजन्स. इट कुड हॅव बीन शिफ्टेड इन द कोस्टल बेल्ट. जशें ब्रिक्स जेन्ना हें जाल्लो समीट ते साऊथ गोवान केल्लो किंवा डिफेन्स एक्सपो जाल्लो तो साऊथ गोवान केल्लो. तशें साऊथ गोवान जर केल्लें जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता पणजेकारांक कांयच हरकत आसपाची न्ही.
ना पण हांव आतांच्या मुखाल्लो प्रश्न जाता खरेंच पणजे कितें जावपाचें तरी आसा काय कितें?
ना तेच म्हणटा. म्हणजे कशें आतां जर क्लॅरिटी आसली की G20 पणजेन आसची ना आनी आमची कामां आमी म्हाका दिसता कॉर्पोरेशन म्हूण फूट डावन दवरचें पडपाचें गव्हर्मेंटा समोर की बाबा आमी ऑलरेडी फाटीं आसा आनी फाटीं उरले जाल्यार प्रोजेक्ट डिले जायत रावतलो. पावस येतलो, मागीर एक्सकलेशन म्हूण कॉस्ट वाडटलो, मागीर कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराच्यो सगळ्यो भानगडी. सो हे न करता आमी फूट डावन धरून कॉर्पोरेशनान सांगचें पडटलें गव्हर्मेंटाक की G20 वेलकम आसा गोंयान, पूण पणजेन हे फावटी नाका. नेक्स्ट टायम केन्ना तरी आमी करुया आनी पणजेची कामां फास्ट ट्रॅक जावन लोकांक बेगीतले बेगीन हे सगळे त्रासांच्यान भायर सोडूंक मेळटलो अशें जावपाक जाय.
Kabir, do you believe this G20 thing? Because it's a great summit. We are fortunate to get those meetings, but if we see the schedule, none of those meetings are planned inside the city.
No,
what's happening?
I totally agree with Vasant on this point. It is a prestigious thing for Goa to be selected, for even to have a meeting here and whatever. But like you mentioned, which I'm hearing for the first time, I mean, you know the schedule or the whatever regarding the G20, and that nothing is happening in Panjim, then I would really request the CCP to write to the government and ask them to reconsider this decision of, because already several months have passed with inconvenience to the entire city. And now whatever works are there, I mean, rather than duplicating and triplicating it by hot mixing and restarting it, let us just finish it at one stretch. From now till March or as fast as we can finish and whatever was scheduled. Let us not let G20 come into the thing if it's not concerning Panjim. Like Vasant, I agree, it can be moved to South Goa where maybe the infrastructure is better suited at the present moment. But yes, they are definitely welcome, I mean, in the future. And let's hope Panjim and all these particular works are
गोंया भितर ह्यो बसका जावच्यो,
are completed.
मिटिंग्स जावच्यो, सगळे जावचे.
Yeah.
बट लेट देयर बी अगेन सम प्लॅनिंग की ज्या जाग्यार काम चलता त्या जाग्यार हाडून मिटिंग करनाकात. आणि सद्याक तर अशी परिस्थिती आहा की खंयची तरी मिटिंग इनसायड द सिटी प्लॅन केला अशें आमच्या कोणाच्याच नदरेक आयिल्लें ना.